Alright, rockers, what's going on? Brooklyn's own original rock and rolling rebel Turbo here with you guys. It is time once again for another unboxing video, and my apologies on this one being late. This one is the arcade block for the month of August. I know we're already in September, but I just got mine delivered today. So it took a while for me to get mine. I did see some spoilers online, but I avoided them. And I wanted to see what it was going to be because they did tease a Counter Strike item and a Scott Pilgrim versus the World exclusive item. So I was curious. So I held myself to the looking until my box arrived, which it did today. So let's go through it, shall we? As always, the items are taken from my box, photos taken, and then edited together due to my disability. It's just easier to do things this way. So, let's get right into it. The August 2015 arcade block. First item out of the block, the Counter Strike t-shirt. Now I gotta admit I haven't played Counter Strike, but what I really like here is the design. It's very reminiscent of an old Nintendo cartridge. The gray background, the Konami graphic, the little emblem on the bottom, making it an official game and all of that. So really cool artwork. I'm not familiar with the game, but still, a really cool shirt that I will definitely rock at some point in the near future. The next item up in the arcade block is this plushie, a Mortal Kombat Sub-Zero plushie. I am a fan of Mortal Kombat. It's been many years since I've played, but I'll be honest, a plushie is not something I would have thought of. Not something I would necessarily purchase, and I can't even give it to my dog, because it's not dog friendly. So, a Sub-Zero plushie. And what do we have next? I really don't know what this is from. This is a pennant, Boston Vault. I forget what it says exactly. I can't read it on my own photo. Yeah, so a pennant from some kind of game reference that I honestly don't get. So, yeah, a random unknown pennant. Also, an exclusive item to the arcade block, this wristband. Again, I don't get that maybe there's a reference to a game with the colors and the quotation marks. But otherwise, a wristband. And last time I checked, we're not in 1985, we're in 2015. Wristbands aren't really that cool. So, yeah, a wristband. Next up, the really bragged about Scott Pilgrim versus the World video game exclusive. You ready for this one? Here it is. A CD of music from the game. I have not cracked it open yet. This to me is a bit of a letdown as far as an exclusive goes. Their last CD exclusive was a really big letdown. It was like 30-second songs. Um, so I'm not too thrilled with this one. This was really bad. I thought maybe the Scott Pilgrim versus the World item would be a pop or the shirt, but a CD, not really worth all the hype it was given. So, Scott Pilgrim versus the World arcade game exclusive CD. And last but not least, something they always throw in when they need filler, a new issue of Retro Magazine. It's a cool magazine, but I get maybe 1, 2 days out of it. To me, this is just a cheap filler that they throw in when they really don't know what else to throw in. So there you go. This month's Arcade Block, the August 2015. Not really anything to brag about. So there you go, gang. My thoughts as always are honest. And if you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. And as always, keep on rocking, rockers. Until next time.